It starts here, the Sugar Rush playground, or should I say, the trap. Picture this, a dimly lit school hallway. The only light comes from a vending machine glowing ominously in the corner. You know, the one that calls your name after that boring math class. It's whispering, "Come get a soda." Harmless, right? Or is it? Now let's meet our hero, or victim, Timmy. Timmy grabs a can of soda like a scene out of a horror movie. Flash forward, Timmy's in a dreamlike montage, but it's more like a nightmare. He's struggling with obesity, his teeth look like he's been chewing rocks, and his bones are as weak as a house of cards. One sip, and the journey begins. Obesity? Check. Tooth decay? Double check. Weak bones? Triple threat. See Timmy again, but this time he's trying to carry a backpack full of these massive sugar cubes. Each step he takes, the backpack gets heavier. It's like watching a cartoon character, but this is real life, folks. Here's a shocker for you. 56% of 8-year-olds drink soda daily. And teenage boys, they're downing 3 cans a day. Imagine if you saw kids turning into zombies, clutching their soda cans like their lives depend on it. Not too far from the truth, huh? Soda isn't just a drink, it's a lifestyle, a risky one. Let's bust a myth, shall we? Soda quenches thirst. Sure, if you're trying to turn your mouth into a desert. Picture this. You're in the middle of a desert, parched, and you take a sip of soda. But wait, you're even thirstier now. Soda quenches thirst, like fire puts out fire. Now imagine a different scene. Kids drinking water, munching on fruits, running around. They're happy, they're healthy, they're not struggling with backpacks full of sugar cubes. Say no to the sugar trap, say yes to a healthier life. Break the chain, one sip at a time. And finally, back to our vending machine. A student tries to buy a soda. The machine whirs and buzzes, but out pops a bottle of water instead. Be smarter than the machine. Your health is worth it. So, next time you're tempted, just remember Timmy and his backpack. Make the smart choice and keep the horror stories on the screen where they belong. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drink water.